It is time to open our daily boxes for the Stitch Supply Company. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group, where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and build friendships without even leaving your home. You are invited to join me there if you are interested. Check the link in the description. All right, we are going to open this every day, and you're going to see what's inside and what is included. Let's check it out. Day 9. A spool of thread. I don't know. That one's a weird one. Oh. One, I firmly believe in this pedal to the metal attitude. Yes, I do it. I love it. I shake the table. 2, I was not expecting a badge. I'm going to have to put this on my bag or somewhere, because yes, this is, I try not to break the machine, but other people complain about having to sew on the same table as me. So that, yeah.